whether with name or without name, this is still our EEZ, and we need to fight for it.
So within the Philippines, it is correct to call it the West Philippine Sea.
Yes, domestically, that's a political statement.
Okay.
But the bloggers are using it. But considering that we are not alone in the world, because we need to be recognized by the community of nations, we need to have it officially registered in the International Hydrographic Organization. It's like, not being able to put a word in the English dictionary by yourself.
Because when you say kasi walang West Philippine Sea at ang isip natin ito, gawa-gawa natin ito. I do understand and agree that this was a creation of Administrative Order 29 where President Aquino officially mandated government agencies to call the western portion of the Philippine Archipelago West Philippine Sea. It was a creation of that, no? But hindi tama po kayo, hindi po ba ito lang yung unang